I made this ebook. It took me forever. It's called 500 Suno Prompts because it comes with 500 Suno prompts, and they're across 25 different subgenres. When you first get it, you get a table of contents that shows you where each thing is, and it even gives you my formula called GMIZ, which is just genre plus mood plus instruments plus vocals. Take some of these prompts and test them out in Suno. I made this book for anybody who is just starting out with Suno and is just confused and wants some type of template to go by. Go with new metal first because it's one of my favorite genres, and I'm gonna go to a random one. Let's go to 19. Copy this, go into Suno, and we're just gonna stay on the simple tab because this is for beginners, and we'll create.
Glass breaks inside my head. Mirror cracks, I see red. Fractured mirrors, fractured mind. Truth is broken.
So you see that's really good for like more emotional dad rock, and there's a bunch of different prompts that lean more heavily into Slipknot or Linkin Park or Limp Bizkit, you know, because some of it does have like rap, like this one for instance, prompt number 9. This one's really good for the Limp Bizkit type of rap rock.
Fragments of a scream trapped in my chest. Built for chaos, can't find rest. Fractured circuits breaking down.
And fractured circuits, it's always going to do some lyrics about wires or circuits. Just, it loves to do that shit. All right, now let's try some classic rock. We'll go to 12, and we'll just do the very first one.
Every step of fight.
You can hear the soul.
Roll the fire.
By the way, real quick, just want to say I highly encourage you to try making your own lyrics with Suno because it will make cringy lyrics. And also have a video you can find in the description that goes about how to more decringify your lyrics or write better lyrics. But anyways, let's get back to prompting. Let's try some pop punk prompts. Say that 5 times fast. Pop punk prompt, pop punk prompt. All right, this will probably give us something like Paramore.
An upbeat, emotional pop-punk anthem with light rhythm guitars, driving bass, explosive choruses, female vocals that mix with attitude, with vulnerability, shifting from soft verses
To belted melodic refrains. This gonna be Paramore.
Breaking through the static, breaking free. This noise won't define what's left of me.
Honestly, it kind of sounds like if Taylor Swift did some pop punk, which that would be kind of cool. All right, now let's look at some metal prompts. Yeah, that's right. Artists like Metallica, Pantera, Lamb of God, Avenged Sevenfold, and Gojira. Lamb of God is the best metal band of all time, and if you ain't with that, then you should leave. So yeah, I want to find something more Lamb of God-y because I do have some like Avenged Sevenfold type of shit in here also. Yeah, there we go.
a modern groove thrash metal anthem with mechanical precision, sliding riffs, and pounding kick drums. Male vocals that alternate between snarled mid-range aggression and clean chant-like sections for contrast.
Lamb of God, right there. Right, that literally sounds like Ashes of the Wake right there. I'm not gonna go through all of these because I have a pet penguin that's coming back from his vacation in the Alpines and he wants me to rub his feet. It's a whole thing. Let's go to future bass because it does really, really good with future bass, like Chainsmokers type of shit or like Millennium type of stuff. An emotional future bass track with lush detuned chords, airy vocal chops, and cinematic risers. Female vocals that sound heartfelt, intimate, building to an explosive, uplifting drop.
Something made of fire. Now just echoes of lost desire.
As a music producer, I'm not gonna lie, this shit scares me a little bit. More excited than scared though. Now let's go for some boom bap. A mellow, groove-focused boom bap track with Rhodes piano, upright bass, and layered percussion. Male vocals that are conversational and relaxed, painting vivid urban scenes.
Yeah, street lamp halos glow soft in the fog. Concrete whispers, moonlight cuts through the smog. Newspaper tumbleweed drifting like a stray thought. Corner store, neon hum, story sold, lessons bought.
So that's gonna do it for this one. You can get the 500 Suno Prompts ebook in the link in the description or on the YouTube shop. And if there's anything you want to know about Suno AI, let me know down in the comments or I'm gonna throw a bitch fit.